So this engine right here is a 1949 Dodge P18. It comes out of, my guess, a passenger car, and this one came particularly crusty. So we've been tearing it down over a course of months because I don't want to fight it and I have plenty of time. And right now there's this slotted screw right here. You can see it right there. That guy. Those are particularly hard sometimes to get out, and you can't just get it with a manual screwdriver. You have to use a tool like this. These guys, when you hit this back right here, it has a slant. So when you hit it, it will slant down like that. See how it kind of has a slant to it? So when you hit it, it forces it to turn one direction or the other. So when you put it in like this, if I want to tighten it, I turn it all the way this way, and if I want to loosen it, I turn it all the way that way. When you hit it, you have to grasp the top of it like this and kind of hold it the direction you want it to go, and then hit it. And see, there, that one came out actually quite easily, which I'm very grateful for, because sometimes these screws get very mangled, and they're an essential part to this front engine plate. So happy day for me. This engine's coming along a little bit better now that I've soaked it in lubricant for multiple months. But I wanted to show you guys, sometimes you have to use a tool like this. If you just want at it with a manual screwdriver and try to just turn it with your hand, sometimes you end up just messing up the slotted screw. So thank you to whoever made this tool. I don't know who made this one, but I know that they're always available at like a auto parts store or any tool store really. But that's the end you hit, and that's the end that turns. Thanks for checking in.